Hello my beautiful friends, my name is Christina Marie. I do beauty reviews, tutorials, unboxings, lots of unboxings and lots of giveaways. I have a ton of giveaways going on. Information will be in the description box down below. Every month I do an eyeshadow palette giveaway. For the month of May, it is the Nubian by Juvia's. Information for this one will be in the description box down below. And we're doing a giveaway in this video as well. We are unboxing the May base box for Boxycharm. The base box is $25 a month. You get 5 full-size items. They also have, if you want to, upgrade to a premium box, and then when you get 6 full-size items for $35, I put that video up that I unboxed my premium one a couple days ago. I'll link that in the description box down below for you as well. They also have a Luxe box, which is every 3rd month. So the next one coming out will be June for that one. So I can't wait for that one. Let's find out what's in here. I am super excited. I do have a code for Boxycharm if you would like to check them out. It helps you out a little bit. It helps me out with some extra bonus points as well. So let's dive in and see what's in here. I'll let you know in a little bit which item we're giving away from here and what you need to do in order to win this giveaway. Two biggest rules are, number 1, you must be a subscriber to my channel, and I do check, and then also watch this video in its entirety. I'm trying to get my watch time minutes up so I can get it monetized. Got to get this monetized, you guys, and that way I can get back to you more to you guys as well. So let's dive in. So there is no card this month, but I'm super excited about the first product that I am pulling out. It is from Elemis. It is their Dynamic Resurfacing Facial Peels. You guys, this retails for $59, and you get, I'm assuming 60, it says 60 times 2.1 inches. Obviously it's not 60 inches, so it must be the 60 pads that are in here. I did look up on the Boxycharm website. It does say a little bit about it, that the Elemis Dynamic Resurfacing Facial Pads are dual action exfoliating pads that keep your pores clear and your complexion looking smooth. A patented tri-enzyme technology formula works together to help break up peptide bonds, gently yet effectively resurfacing the skin. Probiotics and lactic acid are also found in this facial set to remove dead skin cells and boost skin radiance. It smooths, resurfaces, and exfoliates, powered by Elemis patent tri-enzyme technology. These dual action new dynamic resurfacing pads gently smooth and brighten the complexion. It cleanses the skin of dead skin cells in less than 1 minute. Acts on 2 levels as a chemical and physical exfoliant. It evens out the complexion to promote skin radiance. So I'm excited about this. I just used up my other ones that I was using, kind of a resurfacing pads. So I'm super excited about this one. From Daily Concepts, which is cruelty free. I love their shower buffers. So this is a shampoo bar. What? Retails for $24. And this shampoo bar is a solid shampoo and conditioner bar that you can use to wash and condition your hair during shower time. This duo effect ensures that the hair is cleansed and moisturized and simultaneously in one step. Daily Concepts conducted a way to cut the time and waste of your daily hair washing routine. Spend less time on your hair cleansing ritual using the shampoo bar. The plant-based ingredients are included to promote healthier green elements for your hair. There's no harsh chemicals Included in the shampoo bar ingredients, the shampoo bar has a rope handle for easier application for your hands. The rope material used in this product is biodegradable and can be easily decomposed or recycled once thrown away after use. The shampoo bar is packaged in cardboard box to reduce waste for the environment. No plastic packaging is used for the shampoo bar to keep the landfills and our general earth environment clean. I think that's cool that, you know, you almost have like zero waste with this. Let me see if I can open this up. So here it is, and just rub it on in. I love that everything is biodegradable. Yeah, think about the amount of waste that you don't have in this. I think this is such an ingenious idea. I really, really like this. From TRESTIQUE, which is also cruelty free, is their concealer crayon. It's a 2-in-1 concealer stick, which is hygienic antibacterial blender, empowers you to correct, cover, and perfect like a pro. This does retail for $24. I have mine in the shade Bisque. You could have also gotten the shade Porcelain, which is lighter than this, or you could have also gotten Toffee, which is kind of a darker than this. So there's 3 tones. This is the middle one. I have some lip products from TRESTIQUE that I really like. So it looks like a crayon like all their lip products. So this top part here, which I bet is a magnetized lid. Yes, it is. Love that sound. Okay, so here is your concealer. And then on this end is a little sponge to kind of blend it in. Super cute. I just wish it was in that lighter shade. This is gonna be too dark for me, you guys. Bummed. From AYAM is a Dead Sea Mineral Vitamin C Serum Makeup Remover Wipes. There's 25 wipes in here. It does retail for $17. You know how I feel about makeup wipes. Even if they have vitamin C, I'm not super hip on wiping off my makeup with makeup wipes. I do it when I do swatches on my hand. Then I will use makeup wipes for that. So the benefits are the Dead Sea Mineral Vitamin C Serum removes wipes to help prevent dark spots while moisturizing and brightening skin. They remove all traces of makeup without causing irritation, leaving the skin hydrated and luminous. It's cruelty-free, paraben-free, sulfite-free, aluminum-free, sulfite-free, and gluten-free. They sound nice. I just don't like the tugging that makeup wipes do. Lastly, by STUDIOMAKEUP is their easy to wear palette. It does retail for $35. Here, it's got a mirror on this side, and then look at how pretty those shades are. So this was made specifically for Boxycharm. The STUDIOMAKEUP Easy to Wear eyeshadow palette displays a versatile color scheme complementing all skin tones for the creation of countless neutral and glam looks. This all day, all night, creamy smooth eyeshadow texture glides on and blends easily, providing a true color coverage in a single stroke. This reminds me of, I think, like the Naked Urban Decay Original palette. This is what it kind of, I don't know, I get the same vibe as I do off of these colors. I do obviously a monthly eyeshadow palette giveaway, so I think I'm going to save this for a future eyeshadow palette giveaway. So the total of this box is $158. Not bad if you're going to get a, you know, more than obviously the $25 that you spent for the box. I mean, this alone, which was what, $59? Yes, please. So I think I'm going to give away to you guys the Daily Concepts shampoo bar. It sounds so cool. Can't wait for one of you guys to try it. So like I said before, you must be a subscriber to this channel. You must watch this video in its entirety. I do all of my giveaways on Google Forms. I'll put that link in the description box down below. Just go in and fill it out, and I'm the only one that has access to it. I do a random number generator when I pick the winner, and that way I'm not waiting for you to respond to me and me to respond to you on comments. It cuts all of that out. Make sure to put your YouTube name down at the bottom, and make sure that your subscriptions are set to public, so that way I can see when I do check that you are a subscriber. YouTube is no way affiliated with this giveaway. I've purchased everything on my own. This giveaway is open internationally. I'm not responsible for any duties, taxes, fees, anything like that for it to get to your country. I'm also not responsible if anything happens during shipping. Please only fill out the Google form once, that way it's fair to everybody. I try to keep my giveaways as fair. You do random number generators, everything is on board straight up. No favoritisms, anything like that. I try to be as transparent as possible with all you guys. So let's have this giveaway go through June 11th. On June 12th, I will go ahead and pick the winner and then get it mailed out to you guys. If you want a couple of bonus entries, go follow me over on Instagram. That handle is BEAUTYAMA, A-M-A, and the letter B. Also, if you share this video, that'll give you an extra bonus entry as well. I hope that you guys are all staying safe. Please let me know in the comments down below how you guys are doing. Don't forget to like and subscribe. It means so much to me when you guys do. Turn on those notifications. Hit that subscribe button twice. It'll turn on the notifications for you so you know when our next video will be. Have a beautiful rest of your day, guys. Good luck in the giveaway, and I will see you soon. Bye.